Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool model right here, and basically what this is a handheld vacuum cleaner that you can use basically anywhere you want to, since it is cordless. So if you see on the side right here, they show you guys some instructions to teach you guys how to maintain and how to use it correctly. But I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what's actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. Let's take everything out. Alright, so first inside you can see they provide you guys as an accessory that's used to clean off your floor, especially places where it's hard to reach like the corners or cracks. You definitely want to put this on and actually use it. They do provide the cable that's going to use to recharge the product. Right here they provide you guys an extra filter that's used to replace the product if anything goes wrong, the other one that's built on the product already. And then right here they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and how to maintain it. Next step right here they do provide the brush options that you can use this on the vacuum if you guys want to as well. And mainly this is actually useful for people who want to use it on like carpets or etc. And inside they do provide a little brush that's used to clean off the product if you guys do need to. And then last but not least, we have the actual product right here. And that's basically everything that's inside the product. Alright, so when you take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So this is basically the opening for the suction area, so that way it actually suck everything inside right here. And the inside, you see the filter right there. If you can see, they do have a little button that you want to press to open it up and take it out like that. So that's what it looks like inside, and that's what it looks like right here. So when you guys want to pour out the trash, all you need to do is take it out like this. So you don't take it out like that and just pour out the trash very easily. And definitely one thing to remember for this filter right here is the fact that it's reusable and washable. So if you want to prolong the life of the actual filter right here, you definitely want to make sure you guys wash it maybe like once a week, or like if you guys want to wash it every day, you definitely can. Just make sure to air dry it before you guys use it again. But basically once you guys throw away the trash, you can put it back inside right here, and you put this back inside right here. And it's all set with that part. On the top part right here, this is basically where you're going to activate the product right here. So you don't take off the tape first. So on top part right here is basically how you guys want to activate the product. So all you need to do is push this switch right here. And that will activate the product. And this button right here is to activate the LED light right here. So I push the button. You guys see how bright the light is. And that's actually really cool, especially when you guys are vacuuming in your car or something. So that way you can actually see where you guys are vacuuming and see all of the dust and everything as well. So that way you can actually see like all the trash, the dirt and everything when you guys are vacuuming, which is pretty awesome. And when you're done using it, just press the same button to turn it off. And the back right here is basically where you're going to plug in the cable to recharge it. And also one thing to note is the nylon wrap that's actually inside the filter. You don't want to take that out. You actually want to keep that inside. So I'm actually put it back on first. Alright. So you want to keep it on like that. So now let's put it back on. Alright, and then we're all set. So I'm actually go plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it, and we'll also test it out, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so you see we have the cable plugged in right now. If you can see from the light right here, it's green, so that's how you guys know when it's fully charged. So all you need to do is plug in the cable right here in the back. And once you guys plug it in, if you guys notice right here, they do have a red indicator light to show you guys when it's charging. And basically once the light changes from red to green, that is how you guys know when it's fully charged. But let's actually test it out to see whether or not we can actually still use it when it's charging. Alright, so it definitely still works when you guys are charging, but it's not recommended for you guys to use it when it's charging. But let's test it out to see what actually works, and we'll try out the different heads as well. Alright, so right here we have a dog bed. I'm gonna put on the brush head first to test it out. So you just wanna go like this, pushing it all the way, then you start using it. Alright. So you can see how it catches all like the pet hair on here, so that definitely works pretty well. And all you need to do is just throw away the pet hair inside and also the one that's right here by just pulling each one out in the trash can. So definitely the brush option works. Let's test out the other ones as well in terms of this one and also this one as well to see whether or not both of them works. Alright, so you see all these pet hair right here. I'm gonna test it out to see what actually works. Let's turn it on. Alright, so you see that definitely does work. Let me actually unplug this and test it out without it. Alright, so you see that definitely does work. It definitely can work on pet hair and everything, which is pretty awesome. Now let me show you guys how to throw away the trash. Alright, so basically the way how you throw away the trash is by pushing this button right here and taking this part out. Then take this filter part out right here and just pour out the pet hair or whatever stuff you guys have inside really easily. If you can see, it comes off so easily. And then once you guys are done, you guys can close it back up like this and push this part back inside as well. Alright, so once you guys have it in, this is basically what it looks like. So pretty easy to use and pretty easy to throw away the trash as well. Now let me actually bring it into a darker setting to show you guys what the light looks like. Alright, so right here I have it in darker setting. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you can see how bright the light is when you guys are using it in complete darkness. So that way when you guys are vacuuming stuff, you can see where it's going, like this pet hair right here. Alright, so you definitely see that definitely does work and the light is pretty bright, but it's definitely not like the brightest light out there, but it definitely does work. Welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that it does work and it works quite well. I definitely love how strong the suction is on the product when you guys actually use it. So it actually works on the carpet, it works for pet hair, it works for your car, home, basically anywhere. And definitely one thing to remember is that when you guys first use the product, you definitely want to fully charge the product if you guys want to get the maximum usage on here. So I'm really curious about how long the battery life lasts on the actual product. On one full charge on this product, it should give you guys around 20 minutes of usage, depending on what you guys are using it on and how long you guys actually use it for. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to get unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a cordless vacuum where you can use it basically anywhere, at your home, your living room, your bedroom, or even in the car. As long as you have some way to recharge the product, you can basically use this almost anywhere. And also if you guys see from the test, the suction is actually really powerful, but it is pretty loud as well. So it's definitely something to consider when you guys are purchasing like the vacuums. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.